Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Turai, and on this channel I share tutorials on how to make crochet wears. You can check out my previous videos on different crochet wears. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful crochet bralette. Join me, let's crochet this together. Cotton yarn, 5mm crochet hook, that's size 4 crochet hook, your counter, stitch markers. That's all. So let's begin. In order to begin, we are going to chain in the multiple of 10 plus 1. So in the multiple of 10, go around your underbust. You're going to keep chaining until you've gotten a round under your bust. At the end of this 91 chain, hold your thumb and your middle finger here, then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to make a treble crochet into where you have your finger and your thumb. In order to make a treble crochet, you are going to yarn over 2 times, then insert your hook directly into here, grab a yarn or yarn over, any one of your choice. Then you have 4 loops, yarn over, drop 2 loops, you have 3 loops, yarn over, drop 2 loops, you have 2, yarn over, and then pull all through. This is what we have. Next, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 4 chain stitches. This is 1, skip here 1, skip 2, 3, 4. Into the 5th one, make a single crochet. To make a single crochet, insert your hook, pull out 2 loops, yarn over. This is a single crochet. Chain 3. Skip 4 chain stitches, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 5th chain stitch, make a treble crochet. Now chain 5. Make a treble crochet into the same chain stitch. Chain 3. Now skip 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 5th stitch, make a single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 5th stitch, make a treble crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 4 loops, yarn over, pull out 3, yarn over, pull 2, yarn over, pull 1, then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to repeat a treble crochet into the same chain stitch. You are going to repeat this until you've gotten to the end of the row. I'll meet you there. We're almost at the end of the row. Chain 3, triple crochet into the very first chain that we started with. Chain 2, triple crochet into the same chain stitch. Chain 1, then flip your work. This is the second row now. Chain 3, make a triple crochet into this single crochet. So yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, drop 2 loops, yarn over, drop 2 loops, yarn over, and then drop the last 2 loops. Chain 5, make a triple crochet into the same chain, make triple crochet into the single crochet. Chain 3, make a single crochet into the 3rd chain stitch. This is it. Chain 3, make a triple crochet into the chain stitch, into the single crochet. Chain 5, triple crochet into the same single crochet stitch. Chain 3, single crochet in the middle of this 5 chain, that is into chain number 3. Chain 3. We are going to repeat this until we've gotten to the end of the row. I'll meet you there. At the end of row 2, chain 1, 2, 3. Make a single crochet into this chain space. You are going to repeat row 1 and 2 to make row 3. So flip your work and then chain 6. Make a treble crochet directly into this single crochet that you made here. Chain 3. Make a single crochet into the chain number 3. Chain 3. Make a treble crochet into where we have your single crochet. Chain 5. Repeat a treble crochet directly into the single crochet stitch. chain 3, single crochet into the chain number 3. So you are going to be making single crochet into every chain number 3. Then where you have your single crochet, you're going to be making your treble crochet here. Repeat until you've gotten to the row end. We are at the end of the row. Chain 1, 2, 3. Treble crochet into this into this chain stitch. Chain 2. Repeat the treble crochet. Chain 1. Flip your work. So you're going to repeat this row 2 and 3 until you've gotten the desired length you like. I'll meet you when I'm done. When you're done with the pattern, I have a total of 20 rows. Next, you're going to be attaching your bra strap or your bralette strap, anyone you choose to call it. In order to achieve this, you're going to fold this. Make a fold like this. This area represents the back side, while the other side is the front side. Then measure out 2.5 centimeters from the both end and attach your stitch markers there. This will be the armpit hole. This will also be the armpit hole. When you are done, you bring out the bralette strap you've previously made, and then you attach it on. Then you attach it on the both side. You can use any method of your choice to attach, either using a tapestry needle or a crochet hook. In order to attach, you can check my previous videos on how to attach a bralette strap. So let me attach, then I'll come back to show you exactly how it looks like.